Handkerchief.
The word handkerchief refers to a small square or rectangular piece of fabric that is used for wiping or blowing one's nose. It is also commonly spelled as handkerchief. The term is derived from the combination of two words, hand and kerchief. The word hand refers to the part of our body that we use for various tasks, such as holding objects or writing. Kerchief is an Old English word that means a piece of cloth used for covering the head or neck. When these two words are combined, handkerchief is formed, which signifies a cloth that is meant to be used with the hand. Here are some examples of how the word handkerchief is used in sentences. 1. Sarah always keeps a handkerchief in her pocket in case she needs to blow her nose. 2. Peter used his handkerchief to wipe away the tears after watching a heartwarming movie. 3. The gentleman offered his handkerchief to the lady who was coughing uncontrollably. 4. I prefer using a soft cotton handkerchief instead of disposable tissues. 5. Mary embroidered her initials on her handkerchief to make it unique. Overall, handkerchief is a term that describes a small piece of cloth used for personal hygiene purposes, primarily for wiping or blowing one's nose.